Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to turn on dark mode on Instagram. This feature makes your app look sleek and is easier on the eyes, especially at night. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version because dark mode only works on newer versions. Now let's talk about the real stuff. In some phones, Instagram has an in-app dark mode option, but in most cases, it does not. Go to your Instagram profile, tap on the menu option at the top right, and here, locate this option called App Theme and select Dark. If it's not there, just like in my case, simply open your phone's settings, scroll down and locate this option called Display and tap on it, and then select Dark Mode or Dark Theme. Now open Instagram. It will automatically switch to dark mode. And that's it. You have successfully turned on dark mode for Instagram. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.